Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Yammi. Somebody told me they liked my cooking episodes, so I figured, hey, I'll cook with you guys. Why not? It'll be fun, right? Yeah, we'll have a fun time. I am making a yellow cake chocolate frosting for Boo. Well, for both of us, and then of course our neighbor gets some too because it's just the two of us. But so that's what I'm making, and I'm making something that will remind him of when he was a little boy and he used to have it. So we did yellow cake, chocolate frosting. I make a pretty good chocolate frosting, but he wanted the kind he's used to when he was a little boy. So, because that was the only thing that was out, was that stuff. So, so you know. So I'm gonna make that for him. So I'm gonna make it a round, and I have two cake pans. They're kind of thin, but they come out. They're good for a pineapple upside down cake, you know, stuff like that. But it works really good for cakes, regular cakes too. And I'll show you. Alright, ignore the carrots and onions. That's dinner tonight. Since it's a false bottom, I take out the bottom. I pull out wax paper. I go around it a couple of times. Some of it's not going to show up, but at least I can see the outline. It's really hard to see the light, but when I put it in this direction, alright, so now that I've cut out both wax papers, I use Baker's Joy, but it's a baking one, and it has like flour mixed in with the oil. On the inside, I put the wax paper down, adhere the wax paper to it, and then I go around the edges. Now that that's done, we're gonna make the cake mix. So let me get everything out and get it set up, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I put the cake mix in already. I already put the cake mix in. We need 3 eggs, a cup of water, and a third cup of oil. So I put it in the same one. See the oil's on top, you can tell. Alright, so I'm going to take the oil and water, mix it up. I'm going to start this on low, and while this is going, I'm going to crack 1 egg into the cup, and then I'll dump it 1 egg at a time. Take and push down the sides. And I do the eggs separately like this, so this way you can make sure you don't get shells in there, because you'll find the shells in here first. Take them out before you dump them in. Okay, now that the eggs have been incorporated and everything, you're supposed to let it beat for about 2 minutes on medium speed. So I'm going to set my timer. Here we go, 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes are up, and it's beat it nicely. Alright, so now that it's done, I gotta pour half in this one and half in that one. Alrighty. I tap it like that because I'm getting all the air bubbles out of it. Plus I'm trying to get the stuff off the spatula. Now that they're ready, we'll put them in the oven. Because we did round ones and they're 9 inches, 23 minutes. There we go. We'll check it in 23 minutes. See you then. Alright, we've got 3 minutes remaining. I'm going to check it. I take a toothpick. Oh, this one looks lighter than that one, so I'm going to stick my toothpick in there. Did not come out clean. There's some, there's cake mix on there still. We want it to come out completely clean, so it's still kind of sticky, so it's not ready yet. So I'm going to have a toothpick out. You stick it in the center, but on a different area, and it is done. So as soon as that toothpick shows there's nothing coming out, get it out of the oven. Don't let it sit any longer. It depends on your oven. Some ovens, oops, let me stop that. Some ovens are pretty good on temperature, so it's like you can go by the receipt or by the package, the recipe. But I've noticed with mine, it's not quite like that. It's always a little longer. I'm no way close to being a chef, guys. We're really not. This is just something I like to do. So this is a little segment that I'm going to add in every once in a while. Little tips and tricks. So my tips and tricks for the cake, you know, put it in, check it with the toothpicks, pull it out 10 minutes after it's out of the oven. As soon as you can pick this up, cut around. Now, since mine has a breakaway or a false bottom to it, look at it, comes right out. Alright, so we'll let them cool and I'll be back to decorate with this. Ta-da! Oh, out of focus. There we go. Ta-da! It's done. Now it's time to cut it. Oh, it's been in the fridge for a little bit just so it can firm up. Mmm. Mmm. Now how pretty is that? Well, that was Cooking with Yammi. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It was fun. Now Boo's going to enjoy his cake. So, see you later. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bling! And come back and see Yammi some more.
Yeah.